Warm greetings. It's amazing, awesome to know the Vastu principles. Whatever mentioned in our ancient books about Vastu, they have given a solid foundation. But Vastu is an engineering and it needs to keep evolve. The entire life in our universe based on the five elements, right? What are those? Sky, water, earth, air, fire. There's five elements found everywhere on this planet Earth. And it can be found in your body as well, right? It can be found in the plant as well, it can be found in the animal as well. When any of those elements happen to be excess or less in a body, it results in physical or psychological imbalance. Same with the Vastu as well. In our solar system, sun provides a life by giving enough light, heat. Sun is making the life possible on the earth. This is the reason scriptures represent sun as a god. Sun rays travel in the sky and reach our earth. So for us everything is a god. But if something that manifested more clarifyingly can be seen, that is sun. And it is the source of all the life energy. So the sky element should be enough to carry abundant life force into our house. The cosmic energy basically coming through the sun, right? So before constructing the house or a building, we normally take the measurements of the plot, right? The sky element is pivotal part. Understand? We need to consider the sky element part, okay? After deducting the space for the sky element, the remaining area we should construct based upon the need, okay? But the sky element should not be ignored, okay? Why? Because I just told you previously why the sky and the sun is very important, okay? Basically, the sky element comes under the Brahmasthana, okay? So once we find the Brahmasthana, okay, is the Brahmasthana is the source mother of the other four elements: water, fire, earth and air, okay? So this Brahmasthana is the sky element, okay? So use that sky element, balance the five elements, okay? And if the elements are not balanced, okay, then we have an adverse effects, okay? So think again. Let's the pranic energy of the house mainly from the east, because sun is the principal source for it. When the house is constructed in alignment with the four main directions, okay, east, west, south, north, whatever it be, the pranic energy distribution in the house should be uniform. This will ensure good health to the residents. It's as simple as that. So your home is where you spend most of your time. You have a lot of time, energy, money in building your house. But when it comes to following Vastu fundamentals, don't follow Vastu, but follow the basic heating, ventilating, air conditioning techniques, not in relevance to the technology you have, but in relevance to the environment, blending with your technology. That will ensure as it is Vastu compliant. Okay? The others who believe Vastu is a superstition is based upon the dogma doctrines. But the real Vastu practices are must be based on the scientific grounds, okay? Because it needs to take care of the environmental constraint as well, okay? In tropical countries, India is a tropical country, no doubt, right? So why the walls on the south side of the house have the maximum strength? Because they have the what do you say? South monsoon winds flows too much on the south west side, okay? The northeast and the northwest direction comparatively cooler as they don't receive heat directly. The thermal imbalance inside the house disrupts the flow of energy. As a remedy, Vastu plants a trees in the south corners, blocking all the south openings to equalize thermal differences. Morning sunlight is rich source of vitamin D, rich source of UV rays. Vitamin D is crucial for bone formation. UV radiations protects us from severe diseases. Absorbing morning light is easier as it's less heat, more light. If you have windows in the east, open them in the morning to let the sunlight in. The rays will boost your health. If windows are placed in the opposite direction, it could affect your health as the afternoon rays not good and harmful infrared rays. Okay, why facing north while sleeping invites death? The reason behind this rule will prove how scientifically Vastu works. You must have heard about the earth's magnetism which runs from South Pole to North Pole. To align your body with the magnetic flow, you must lie down with your head in the south direction for a sound sleep. Sleep disorders can cause many health problems. The key purpose of Vastu is to design a house or a factory or a workplace balancing, taking advantage of the natural gifts like sunlight, wind, fire, cosmic energy to build a place which makes the inhabitants happy, prosperous. Thank you so much.